Raw bananas or the green bananas contain many essential vitamins and minerals. They are high in fiber and low in glycemic index, making them a very healthy vegetable to eat. Raw banana also contain carbohydrate, but these carbohydrates are complex and they are high in fiber, so making them very good substitute for potatoes for people who want to consume a low carb diet. So the raw bananas are widely used in Indian kitchen in different kind of recipes. Even in this video I am going to share with you all a banana cutlet recipe which you can use in two forms. You can either eat them as snack or use them in curry. So I am going to make baked raw banana cutlets, which is very simple, delicious yet super healthy to eat. So let's go and make the recipe. To make the banana cutlets, first I am going to peel the skin of the bananas, wash them properly, cut them into halves. Now banana in itself has its own taste and texture, so adding other vegetable in this recipe may not work that well. And put them into a pressure cooker. If you are making the recipe for kids, then you can avoid the chilies and maybe add a boiled potato for that extra taste. I'll cook them in the pressure cooker till 2 whistles. While making the cutlets, it is important that the bananas should cook nicely. Once done, I will take out the bananas on a big plate. Mash the bananas a little. The bananas are cooked properly and now I am going to add the seasonings to flavor it. I will start with half a cup of finely chopped onion, half a tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies, next 1/4 cup of rice flour. The rice flour in the recipe is going to make the cutlets crispy and will help to absorb the excess moisture while baking. And then gram flour or besan to bind the cutlets. Next, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Now I will mix all the ingredients nicely. Do not add water. If needed, just sprinkle a little. The consistency should be like a soft dough. So the cutlet dough is ready. Now I will make the cutlets and bake them. To bake the banana, between your palm, shape the cutlets into flat round shape or any shape that you like. Shape them all and keep aside. Now on a plate I will spread 1 cup of breadcrumbs and roll the cutlets over it. And we'll keep them on the baking rack. If you want to avoid the breadcrumbs, you can absolutely go for it. Along with the banana cutlets, I'm also going to bake some of the banana doughs without the breadcrumbs, and later I can use those small cutlets in curry. Once done, I will spray olive oil on the top and straight into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 380 degree Fahrenheit. When it is done, turn off the oven and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also shallow fry them or air fry them. This is a delicious and simple recipe, perfectly cooked and flavorful. The crumbs are giving the recipe nice crisp and the green chilies the perfect heat. Just make a simple curry base and then add these baked cutlets into the gravy. And for making the curry, you can actually avoid the rice flour and the breadcrumbs. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.